Mingladashin. Welcome to EatSleepYangon channel. I'm your host Kalayar. First of all, I would like to shout out Mr. Robert Bouchon, who is our advanced member. Thanks for joining our membership program, Mr. Robert Bouchon. So today I'm at Sanyang Township to explore some food here. So come and follow with me, guys. So guys, behind me is the new restaurant, so let's go and check it out together. Okay, so now I'm quite starving, and this is the little elegant face of their menu. So their restaurant name is ET BBQ and Rice House. So let's check their menu together. Okay, we can get various kinds of food in this grill house. We can get such as like Chinese food, also collaboration of the European food, grill, barbecue, and then we can also get various kinds of soft drinks, and also we can get like instant juice in this restaurant. So now I order the prawn grill and Charles Gold barbecue, and also I order the grilled fish. So let's wait our order now. Now my orders arrived, so they look so delicious. I can't wait to eat. So okay, so let me introduce them. First of all, this one is called the prawn grill. Looks so big prawn, right? And another one is Charles Grill, and this is chicken Charles Grill. And also this one is the grilled mushroom, which is mixing with the bacon, and this one is the green chicken satay. So let's eat together, right? Let's eat together with me. So firstly, I want to taste this grilled prawn. So let's eat together. I will use my hands to eat. Don't worry, my hands are already cleaned. So because this prawn is so big and I can't eat. Okay. Do you like seafood? And I like the seafood best. So let's start taste together. Really delicious prawn ever. I really like it. It smells like smoky smell and tastes like a low seafood taste. I can feel like I'm at the fresh beach and eating the seafood in front of the beach and sitting like I like the idea of sitting on the beach and eating seafood. So this is the best seafood ever, I think. So let me introduce. This is the tomato sauce, and this is called seafood sauce in Myanmar. This seafood sauce is we can eat this all grilled with this seafood sauce. So let's taste. Okay, so now I'll eat this prawn, grilled prawn with the seafood sauce. The taste of sauce is mixing with the sour and spicy, and I can taste also like really spicy taste, chili taste, real chili taste. So now I'm gonna taste it charcoal, which is main ingredients with chicken and mixed with the onion and chili pepper. So let's try with me. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat this green chicken satay. So before I eat, I'm gonna squeeze this lime to get better taste. Here, okay. It looks juicy, and I think I can get better taste. So let's try this with seafood sauce and also the tomato sauce. Super sour taste, but I like the sour, so I get also the smoky taste, which is very nice. Here, ta-da! This is my last order, which is called crab curry. This is also Myanmar traditional food, Myanmar traditional curry. But people always cook this crab curry in their home. So I want to taste it with these gloves, plastic gloves, to eat this with this crab. So let's try with me. Oh, now it's time to cook the crab, so let's try with me. The taste of crab is a little bit salty, and it's just like the Indian spices, spicy, sour, not sour, spicy, salty, and then it could be better with a bowl of rice. Okay, it's really nice. You should try when you came to Myanmar. Okay guys, now I feel full and thirsty, so I'm decided to try this lime juice. Cheers! The taste of lime is very super sour, but this juice is my best favorite juice ever. So I like this. This reduces my thirstiness, and now I feel really fresh because of this lime juice. Thank you. The great thing about that restaurant is that even though they're selling more traditional food, but it doesn't look like the other traditional food shop, and the decoration is really fantastic and nice, clean, and it looks also hygienic. Okay, so guys, so let me stop my video here because I feel full now. So I hope you guys like my video. You also like this one and this one. So bye bye. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.